Welcome, Steamboat Springs, Colorado. Here we are. Been wanting to come here for a long time, and I reckon you have too, John.
Been waiting for it.
All right, we're going to check out the food scene down in the town and also on the mountains. What are you looking forward to, my man?
Oh, buddy, man, it's like it's just come out of a big dump. The trees are white as anything. White ghosts all over the place. We got beautiful places on the mountain. The valley itself in town is full of amazing venues. The resort we're staying at is sensational, man. So, JD, what are we going to do, man? We're a bit peckish before we start riding?
Yeah, let's go get a taco. We're going to go find the taco beast.
Taco beers, suckers. The beef barbacoa and the elk and chorizo minced dish. Thoughts? Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm here with Dan from the Taco Beast. Dan, give me a bit of an insight into the Taco Beast.
So what this is it's a print-off beast. It's actually the largest production cat ever produced. We're able to move around, find a space, we can blade out a nice flat spot, and as you might be able to see, people just come in from all over and eat some tacos.
Yeah, that's it.
Kind of turn it into the beach. We put all the Adirondacks out.
Oh, wow.
You know, we can put a couple hundred people, and we feed the masses as opposed to, you know, the traditional walk into a lodge, use a restroom. Here you might have to use the trees, and you come get some tacos, get some margaritas, sling some beers.
Yeah, well I just had some tacos and the margarita, and it was the bomb, I tell you. It was like beautiful.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Hey mate, great little chat. Thanks for giving us a little insight into this. Thank you, buddy. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Rendezvous Lodge on Steamboat Resort's sunny side of the mountain looked like the perfect place for a pit stop, and we soon noticed it had one of those El Primo deck setups at Umbrella Bar for tall beers and tall stories while you chill.
Okay, we'll poke the bear.
It has lemon and pepper infused vodka with agave and cava. And then I have the De La Hoya. So this is a gin drink, and it comes with a 10-year port.
Oh wow, 10-year port. Wow.
And then sour cherry preserves, liquor 43, cinnamon syrup, and then it's garnished with a lemon slice and mint.
Okay, so these are our soup dumplings. We've done a bunch of different ones over the years. The current one right now is tom kha, with like a Thai coconut cream with a Thai sausage, pork sausage on the inside. This is Thai chili sauce here. Really great recipe. I learned how to make tom kha like by hand when I was in Thailand, and the sausage as well. This little 80-year-old woman, she was a chef of the royal family of Thailand, and I spent a couple weeks with her in her backyard. Just wearing an apron, no shirt, and just shorts and sandals.
But her pleasure or yours?
Yeah, right, exactly. It was awesome. We tried to take these off the menus a couple years ago, and there was like riots in the streets, you know, like. So they're back, and they're never gonna go anywhere. So enjoy those. Our octopus dish here. So sous vide octopus. It's marinated in olive oil and Calabrian chilies in the sous vide bag.
That Peruvian chili is sensational. Hey, some of the sauces they make out of that.
And it's got like a nice heat to it too. It's not like overpowering. It's kind of subtle, and you kind of hit it on the back end, you know.
Lends itself to seafood, everything, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's awesome.
Man, we're on.
Sea scallops here, little cauliflower puree on the bottom, Iberico jamon jus, crispy Iberico jamon, and then marinated rainbow trout eggs.
Iberico jamon jus.
Yeah, so we basically, you know, like do you see those big legs that they're shaving? So we keep those legs, and then we throw those into our pork stock.
Yeah.
And then that's where the jus comes from.
Photo time. I've got a question for you. What's the style cuisine of this restaurant? Because it's like got this mad Pan-Asian.
So yeah, I mean it's the main focus. Like if you look at the menu, it is you know, it's mostly Latin influence, and then there's, you know, we have there's a Southeast Asian you know, flair to it. You know, like if you go to Peru, like ceviche was basically originated where the Chinese that moved there, right? That's where that actually comes from. You know, like I was kind of saying earlier, like when I was in Spain, like a lot of the tapas joints, they were doing like exactly kind of what we're doing here. Like they were just kind of featuring stuff from all over the globe, really. Yeah. And then, you know, making them into tapas or making them into little entrees like this and whatnot. Yeah. No, it's a stunner. It's amazing.
It's a beautiful. Yeah, right.
I want the same reaction as 7 dishes ago. Come on, let's go.
It's not as much as it looks.
It's tomorrow's lunch.
But you get, yeah, you have plenty to bring with you. Don't fuck it up, Joe.
No pressure.
Baby. Zim zim. Oh.
See you next Tuesday.
See you next Tuesday.